addiction. You make me wanna lose control.
What we have here is the new Street Triple 765. The Street Triple was launched in the year 2007, and from there was no looking back. And today, the entire lineup of Moto 2 is using this 765 engine, obviously with their tweaks and mods. We are proud to be partnered with them. Hi, this is Sherman Fernandez. Let's get on with it. So what we have here is the new Street Triple R. Let me tell you something about it. But wait, I guess there's somebody here. Hey, hi. Hi, sir. Welcome to Sherman Prime. My name is Sherman. How do I assist you? I just came to see the new Street Triple R. I heard this engine is used in Moto 2. Oh, yes, we do have it. So we are proud to be the official engine distributor for the entire lineup for Moto 2. So what we have here is the new Street Triple R. R pertaining to more road use. I believe you had the Street Triple S earlier, right? Yes, earlier we did have the S, but the R is a better replacement for it. So I'll take you through a few differences, starting with the heart of the matter. That's the engine. Yes, the S was also a 765, but the S generated 110 PS. This is 118. At the same time, the S came with Nissan brakes. This now comes with Brembo M4.32s, which are again far superior. Obviously, it's required with that added power given onto it, right? Especially this kind of things are required in a city like Mumbai. So I do breakfast rides and once in a year kind of touring, but my whole point is to have a bike that I can use daily and use it for every other purpose that I want. You know, because nowadays, you know, the kind of traffic we have, so moving out, I need something that is very practical. I understand this is going to be a daily use bike, but then that's the whole point. At 178 kilos, this is among the lightest bike you could have in a middleweight category. Probably 15 to 20 kilos lighter than this nearest rivals. At the same time, a 140 mm ground clearance, again, which is among the best in its class. So if you go to see, this is so very practical for daily use. You can ride it to work, you can take it on a long ride, you can take it for a track day. Even in the topmost peak hours of traffic, you can just zip around like Silver Surfer. Oh wow, that's nice. But I also wanted to know, do we also get a cowl? I'm sorry, but yes, this does not come with a cowl, but you can surely purchase one. So what about the gear shifts? Are they smooth or are they clunky? Because I had a Duke before this and it was a bit clunky, you know. Yes, the gear shifts are very smooth. And it is so effortless that people are like, पता ही नहीं चलता gear कब change हुआ. The bike already comes with Triumph Shift Assist, not optional, but there by default. Shift Assist means you have both a quick shifter and a blipper. So, since you saying all this, थोड़ा डर लग रहा है यार. But why? Well, if you're giving so much, I'm really scared for the price, bro. Well, that's the surprise. We are offering you much more than the S, but the price isn't so. The new Street Triple R is now at 10,69,000 on road. Well, isn't that a surprise? Oh, that's a relief. So if that's a relief for you, why don't we just seal the deal? Yeah, but I'll also have to, you know, check my finances, the EMI working, and what will not be heavy on my pocket. Well, you don't have to worry about the finances, sir. If I can ask you, are you okay with a 4 lakh down payment? 4 lakh down payment, I guess yes. I was thinking of the same. Oh, that's excellent. So I have exactly the offer for you. I have a finance working wherein you pay 9,999 for 11 months in a year and approximately 48,000 on the 12th month. This pattern carries on for the next 5 years. Isn't that easy? That seems to work. अरे यार, but main चीज़ तो भूल ही गया. What about the service? Like, what are the intervals, and how often do I have to see your face again? Well, I'm glad you asked. It's the most important thing. The best part is your service is once a year or after every 10,000 kilometers. सर आप एक बार तो लद्दाख जाके या एक बार भूटान जाके तो आ सकते हो उसमें. Yep, I think I like this. I think I'll go ahead with this. Congrats for the bike, sir. We've completed 6 years. So I have a small request. We have a ritual where the customer rings the bell 6 times after booking. If we can go ahead with that. Hello. Hey, hi. Still there? He was pretty convinced, but there are a few more things that you'd like to know about the bike. Come on. So what we have new now for the Street Triple R is the evil looking LED DRLs. And what better way to command the road with the excellent road grip provided by the Diablo Rosso 3 tires. And to support all this, we have the new Showa's big piston forks right here. But now, there is also a very big surprise. You can go into the menu and also activate the track mode. What better than that? So that was a Triumph Street Triple R for you. Come experience it for yourself. Probably have a chai with me.